Hello everyone! Today I am going to draw a set of lipsticks. First I will draw the base of 4 lipsticks. I'll draw one more. Now draw the straight lines and complete the rectangles. Now I'm gonna draw the second portion of the lipsticks. Now, here is the color part of the lipsticks. One, two, three, and four. Drawing is too much fun. Do you like it? It's so much easy. Let's draw a smiley. I'll draw a lips. This lipstick is a flower. This is a heart. It's time to add magic by adding the beautiful colors in it. Let's color with me. This is yellow color. This is red color. This is green color. This is purple color. This one is orange. Green color. This is purple color. Blue color. Pink color. Pink color. Orange color. Green color. Red color. Blue color. Red color. This is green color. Brown color. Which color of the lipstick do you like the most?